The future of fashion is online. If you're always wanted a store of your own, now is the perfect time to make it happen. In this video, I'll show you how to create an online boutique from the preparation and all the way to the launching process. Let's start. With an online store, you'll save a bunch on costs like rent and staff, and you'll be able to sell your products worldwide. Essentially, an online boutique lets you be your own boss, working from anywhere and setting your own schedule. If that sounds great, subscribe to Hosting Your Academy channel, turn on notification, and let me show you how to decide on your fashion niche first. Finding your niche is a really important step. You want something that reflects your unique style and attracts the right crowd. But it's not just about what you love. You have to make sure there's enough market demand for it too. That's why validating your business idea is important. In this case, tools like Google Trends can be really helpful, as you can use them to look at the real-time market demand. Spend some time researching the trends and don't be afraid to dig deep. You never know what might catch your eye. Consider a few things too, like are you drawn to statement pieces and bold prints, or maybe luxury accessories instead? Start by listing down your hobbies and passions and see if there could be a business angle to that. Once you find it, start thinking of the unique proposition of your products. What's something you can do that others can't? Lastly, do you have a message you want to convey? It can be anything, like maybe you want to highlight eco-consciousness or timeless elegance. This isn't necessary, but it can definitely create a strong brand story. Once you have got your niche figured out, it's time to think about product sourcing. There are a couple of ways to supply your online boutique, so let's break down some of the most popular methods. First, partnering with a wholesale clothing supplier. This allows you to purchase items at lower cost per unit, which is great for keeping your prices competitive. Second, you can collaborate directly with manufacturers instead. This way, you'll have more control over the design and quality of your products. Third, you can try dropshipping, especially if you want to start small. If you do, check out some platforms like Spocket, where you don't have to hold any inventory yourself. Basically, they'll handle all the orders and shipping while you focus on marketing your boutique. And fourth, on-demand printing. Services can be alternative to dropshipping. For example, platforms like Printful will take your print design and handle everything else, from printing to shipping. Whichever strategy you choose, remember to always aim for the best quality, whether it's the item itself or the photos you present to your customers. Once you made your decision, you're ready to build your online fashion business. Since we're looking for a beginner-friendly platform with good e-commerce features, we'll be using Hosting Your Website Builder to create our store. First, access the landing page I linked in the description below. Then we are going to go with Business Website Builder plan, since we want AI tools and an online store. Next, choose a 4-year plan for the best price and domain name to claim for free. Continue creating an account with your email address or simply connect your Google profile. Finally, choose a payment method and don't forget to apply the WB10 coupon code before processing it. Once the purchase is completed, let's continue building your boutique. You'll be redirected to the website builder and asked whether you would like to build your website with the AI tool or choose one from more than 100 templates. We're going to streamline our process and go ahead with the AI website builder. Give your site a name, choose online store as the website type, and describe your boutique. If you have a specific preference for the site's design, open the personalization settings and tweak them to your liking. Then just hit Create a Website once it's done and let the tool build the website for you. After a few seconds, you'll see a preview of the site, which you can customize by entering the site editor. Now that we're seeing this interface, I'll take you on the tour. First, you can sell all your pages using navigation menu here, or pages and navigation on the left sidebar. When you're on a page, you'll see the default images, text, and other site elements that have been generated for you. If you want to alter any of it, just select the item and choose what you want to do with it from the menu. For example, if you want to change this CTA button, simply click on it, open the settings panel, and tweak it as needed. If it's text or an image, you can just double-click on it to edit. If you want to change up the global color palette or fonts, head on over to Website Styles and play around with it. Find something that works for your kind of fashion. Right now, our site is minimalist with only 2 pages, but you might want to add more, like About, Contact, Frequently Asked Questions, or Privacy Policy. To do that, go to Page and Navigations menu, pick a template or blank page, and use the same process as before. If you have a logo you want to put in your header, simply click on it and upload your new image file. And if you don't have a logo yet, you'll want to make use of our AI logo maker, which you can access here. Once that's done, adjust how you want the logo and other header items to appear in these settings. If you're interested in all of the other AI tools in hosting your website builder, check them out here. And now to start selling. We have a product page already, but we want to fill in with products of our own. So let's talk about store management. To add your products to the site, you need to complete the setup wizard first. Access the online store menu on the site panel and click Manage Store. First, add your boutique name that will appear on your site and documents like invoices. Click Continue and choose your country and preferred currency. Then continue to enter Store Management area, where you can adjust various aspects of your online store, including products, payments, options, and other settings like shipping and tax. If you open Products menu, you'll find a list of the default product placeholders to edit. Change the product images to yours, then edit the title and the description. To help you write the product description, you can click this AI Writer button. Type your product details in the box and hit Generate Text for a new description. You can also add a subtitle, which will show below the title, and a ribbon that will show on the left side of the title. Once that's done, continue with adding the price. The discount price box lets you display a discounted price, which the user will see as well. This queue will show the amount of stock you have, and displaying the weight will help calculate shipping prices. If you have different product options, you can add them from the Options section. Click Add Option and describe it. Make sure to specify the kind of variant you want to add. To assign pictures to the options, click Manage Variants, then depend on the image placeholder and choose the image representing the variant. Finish by clicking Save. Next, you can also divide your products into different categories, but you'll need to create them first on the Categories menu. For now, click Save to apply all changes to the product entry. Continue editing the default product placeholders and add new products by clicking this button. Once you're done, you can manage how they look on the site by going back to the site editor. If you have a lot of products, add this product search element to help your customers find them faster. Plus, you can also adjust product page elements like page URL, SEO settings, and the product's details from the online store menu on the left sidebar. Now that the products are sorted, let's configure the payment and shipping methods. Go back to the Store Manager to configure your store backend settings. This time, choose Add Online Payment. Hosting your website builder supports PayPal, Stripe, and dLocalGo for online payment, so choose the one you like the best. PayPal is a known payment gateway providing multiple methods, including PayPal Balance or PayPal Credit, alongside options for debit and credit card payment, or directly via a bank account. Meanwhile, Stripe provides similar options with additional e-wallet options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Alipay. As for dLocalGo, it's currently available to those who reside in Brazil. However, we're gradually improving the service to make it available in major Latin American countries real soon. Therefore, when choosing a payment option, ensure that you are aware of the charged fees and the area of coverage for the payment methods. Other than that, hosting your website builder provides manual payment too. With this method, you can decide whatever payment method you want, like paying in cash or by bank transfer. For example, if you want to input manual bank transfers, add manual payment, then write your own payment instructions to inform the client how to complete the transaction. Tick the option Enable Manual Payment Method at checkout and save the changes. Now customers will see this payment method during the checkout process. Remember that if your customer selects this offline payment method, you'll need to approve their order manually on the Orders page in your store management area. Okay, payment options check. Next, let's set up shipping options by accessing the menu from Store Settings. First, specify the shipping zones. The default shipping zones includes all the countries worldwide. Click on the shipping zone to open its settings. Rename the shipping zone and click Add Country. Don't forget to save the changes once done. Right below the shipping zone settings is a section where you can define different shipping options for the zone. For instance, you can create a free shipping option for a certain minimum order price. You can create an unlimited number of shipping zones and up to 25 shipping options per zone. With that, all the essentials are covered and we can move on to the next step. If you need more detailed guidance on how to set up the store, we have a separate video that you can watch here. Now let's publish and promote your website. Before publishing the site, double-check the content, appearance, and overall navigation experience by clicking Preview. You can also see how it looks on mobile devices by clicking this icon. After that, claim your domain name if you haven't already done so. Otherwise, your site will go live with a random domain name, which won't reflect your brand at all. Simply hover over this part and click Connect your own domain. You'll be redirected to HPanel to start the domain claiming process. Once that's done, go back to the website builder and click Go Live. That's it, your boutique is now online and ready to market. And to do that, with a new business, prioritize raising brand awareness and building a customer base first. You'll definitely want to pay attention to SEO too. Good search engine optimization will make you rank higher in search results, so you want to be diligent about it. Luckily, Hosting Your Website Builder already has integrated SEO tools. Just navigate to the SEO menu under Settings to find a dedicated SEO guide for your site. All you need to do is follow the instructions and ensure you turn these yellow marks to green. Plus, you can even use the AI SEO assistant to help you generate meta titles and meta descriptions. And if you're using tools like Google Analytics, Hosting Your Website Builder supports easy integration too. You can set it up by going to Settings and opening the integration menu. And that's pretty much it. If you have a feature suggestion, don't hesitate to write us a message. And there you have it. Your online boutique is now ready for runway. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more website building and digital marketing tips. As always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.